This video covers the issue of why you might not be able to find data that you care about in the Spitzer Enhanced Imaging products. If you go to the Spitzer page and from there go to the Spitzer Heritage Archive, one of the ways to search includes the SEIP Super Mosaics and the SEIP source list. What does that mean? Well, the Spitzer Enhanced Imaging products are listed here. This is where you go to get additional information about the Spitzer Enhanced Imaging products. But here's the high-level summary. What the SEIP is an effort that took all of the existing data at the end of the cryogenic mission and processed it all. This is a map of the footprints of all of those observations. So the blue is just IRAC, the red is just MIPS, and the magenta is both IRAC and MIPS. So you can see that it didn't cover the whole sky because Spitzer was a pointed mission, not an all-sky survey. You can see that there's large chunks of the galactic plane that were done with both IRAC and MIPS. But the savvy among you will know that in the post-cryo era, Spitzer continued to survey the rest of the galactic plane just with the shorter two bands of IRAC. And that is not shown here. That is because the SEIP, as it stands right now, is just the cryogenic era data. So, all of those years, and I do mean literally years, of post-cryo data are not available in the SEIP. So, you have to be a little bit creative when it comes to finding what data are available. You can, for example, from the Spitzer Heritage Archive, search the SEIP Super Mosaics. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is from the IRSA viewer. When you're searching in images in the IRSA viewer, you can search on the Spitzer Enhanced Imaging products, but you can also search on all of the other Spitzer delivered products. And if you're someone who's interested in galactic plane things, you can filter this down so it's just galactic projects. And then from here, you can find GLIMPSE. GLIMPSE is that program that did a survey of the galactic plane and kept going after the cryogen ran out with the shortest two bands of IRAC. So if you know your objects in the galactic plane, it's worth putting your target in here. The nice thing about the IRSA viewer interface is that it allows you to search many different projects at once, including many different programs from Spitzer, but also other programs as well. You can search WISE and Herschel and TUMAS and IRAS all at once. There's also data collections. This is the same kind of interface as you get in the Data Collection Explorer. This also includes the wealth of data delivered back to IRSA from many different teams, including Herschel and Spitzer. And from here, you can also look for additional data that's been delivered back that includes data from the post-cryo era as well as the cryogenic era. If you truly don't know what data set to use, if you go back to the front page, you can put in the name of your source here and search, and it will tell you everything in all the holdings at IRSA that overlay that portion of the sky. Then you're sure to find whatever Spitzer data overlap your region.